My name is Sitaram Rai and this video is recording as demo class for BYJU'S. My topic is circle. Draw a line segment whose one point is fixed and another point rotate around the fixed point. The tracing path of a rotating point is called as circle. The fixed point is called as center of a circle and the line segment between these 2 points, the length of the line segment is called as radius of the circle. The distance covered by the rotating point in complete one revolution is called as circumference of a circle, whose value is 2 pi r, whereas pi is a constant term whose value is 22 upon 7 and r is a radius of a circle. This is the equivalent to the length of the line segment. Here is the figure. O is a fixed point, P is another point of a line segment OP. P rotate around the fixed point and trace this curve. This is known as circle. Internal part of a circle is known as interior part of a circle. External from this curve is called as exterior part of a circle. And area covered by this curve is called as area of a circle, which value is pi r square. Now, flip the radius in opposite direction, whose end point lie on a circumference of a circle and which is passes through the center. It is called diameter. Here is a figure. O is the center of a circle and P dash is the end point of a line segment which is lie on a circumference. This is called as diameter. Now we have to talking about what is a chord. A line segment which end point lie on a circumference is known as chord. Here is a picture. There is A and B is a chord because its end point lie on a circumference of a circle. When you have to move chord towards center, its length increases. When you have to away from the chord, you have to move away from the center, the distance of the chord is decreases. So basically, the line segment which end point lie on a circumference is called as chord. So diameter is also chord or not, because diameter is a point whose end point lie on a circle. Diameter is a line segment whose end point lie on a circumference of a circle. So basically we can say that diameter is also a chord. So we have to say that the longest chord is a diameter. Chord divide circle in two parts. These part called as segment. Like this. This is a chord and part under this chord and enclosed by the arc whose end point same as well as end point of a line segment, which is a chord. This area is called as segment. There is two area, one below the chord and one is above the chord. These two are called as segment. But What is the difference between them? Because of area is difference. So that small area, small area covered by the arc and chord is called as minor segment, and big area covered by the chord and arc is called as major segment. Now we have to discuss about what is a sector. Sector looks like a picture slice. Here is a picture. Two radius. Two radius at some angle with arc. A area covered by two radius and an arc whose endpoint is the endpoint of a radius is called as sector. So